everyone, welcome to MercyLuvs2Plan. I'm Mercedes, and I have been a planner and a crafter for as long as I can remember.
On my channel, I will share with you how I plan my life with stickers and washi tape. My hope is that it will inspire you to plan, decorate, and craft a beautiful life, and more importantly, keep you focused and productive while having something pretty to look at. Join me here each week for creative and empowering ways to decorate your planner. You will learn how to stay organized and use your planner to get things done in a fun, decorative way. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and click the bell to be notified each time I load a new video. I would love it if you leave me a comment below and introduce yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.